For as low as 699 pesos, ma-enjoy mo na itong napakarami na sushi sa conveyor belt. Meron din kasama na only hot pot, sides, salad, iced tea, ice cream, and waffles na latest addition sa kanilang only. Pwede ka din mag-order ng salmon and tuna sashimi, just add 120 pesos. Actually, ang hirap mamili ano bang una kong kukunin dito sa conveyor belt. Sa sides, ang dami din choices like chicken karage, pork tonkatsu, shrimp tempura, takoyaki, yasai tempura, crab tempura, and sotok. Meron din 21 sushi options and 8 rolls. Sa appetizer naman nila or salads, they have Caesar salad, kani salad, mango salad, and yaki udon. Meron din instructions yung waffles nila dito and ang bilis lang lutuin. Nag-enjoy talaga yung anak ko and even kami ni Daddy Chris sa ice cream and waffles. Dito lang sila located sa Eaton Tower in Makati. Ito pala yung rates nila for weekdays, lunch, $699, for dinner, $799, for weekends and holidays, yung lunch and dinner is $799. Kids rate naman below 6 years old is free, 6 to 11 years old is half payment. Good for 1 hour and 20 minutes yung only buffet nila dito, kaya sulitin mo kaagad. After kumain, satisfied and busog na busog talaga kami. Actually, third time na namin dito kaya binabalik-balikan, ang sasarap and ang sulit kasi.